purge. Now that it's over, I kinda just wanna reflect. Let niggas know I ain't as ignorant as I might portray.
Cup noodles and alcohol. The only thing flowing through my mind is a dark-skinned queen, pretty face, no ass at all. But that just means it's room to grow. No ass shots, we get it in until it's right there. I pull up the pennies until it's tight bare. I Pokemon, she tell me my dick is tight rare. Ain't trying to get your pussy a perm, so no hair. Smacking my face, damn it, I can't feel my nerves. I'm like on my 10, I do it without the verbs. That mean I'm it, no tag club or secret words. We all wanna be fly, jealous of the birds. When rappers Obama 08, I'm sworn in. Rhyme knees around me with a big grin. White people in college, blacks around the booth. Real niggas wanna vote again, that's the truth. Niggas swallow their pride just for a 9 to 5. Fucking fired because the bus came at the wrong time. A college grad writing the ass music and the crime. See ignorance sells and ignorance, they feel the vibe. Black, white, yellow, red, all that matter green. Bunch of niggas eating burgers but without the lettuce. The brokest the people they stare with a money fetish. Celebs dropping the ball and if hip-hop catch it, the entire new world order is going down. Industry broke through holidays, all frowns. Holiday season is the only nigga eating, trying to get publicity so all the other rappers beefing. Most of the beautiful people hide insecurities, buying pointless and expensive ass jewelry. Bright time is how to do a personality. I won't be a Jiminy Cricket, your truth's a fallacy. No, keep it just like that. Fuck it. I need these niggas to know that I'm in it. It ain't no redo it, take it over. That shit came from the fucking heart. And that's just what it is, man. I purge. I let everybody know what's inside of me. I let everybody know what I'm trying to do this for. I let everybody know about the family that I'm trying to support, about the babies that I'm putting diapers on, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my mama out of her job. I'm trying to make sure that I ain't gotta work. I'm trying to make sure my brothers eat. I'm trying to send my grandma to Cancun, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure my niggas got shoes on their feet. I'm trying to make sure everybody's motherfucking bills paid at this bitch, man. This is not just a fucking hobby. This is what I wanna do for the rest of my fucking life. And if I can't do it, then I might as well die here. Make me get struck down on this fucking microphone right fucking now. I'll never let nobody really know the shit that I think about. And if anybody really made it to the end of this fucking CD, I really appreciate y'all, man. And that's real shit. I was always the underdog. I was always that nigga that had all the answers and nobody wanted to listen to. But it was like, you know what? I don't want to seem like that nigga, so fuck it. I must not be good enough. But if I put my heart and soul out on these tracks, y'all ain't got no choice but to listen to me, man. I'm straight sincere with this shit. Fucking Atlas. I got the world on my back.